Dubai International Boat Show, as an international, it's a big and a huge name and big indicator for the economic and marine business in general.
I think the highlight of the show is the two big yachts you have here, because you have never had a show in the GCC where you have two 88-meter yachts sitting around, you know, making this not a boat show, a true yacht show.
It seems to be every year it's getting that little bit larger. Certainly the yachts are getting larger, and certainly the royal family here seem to be encouraging it. So it's a great team to work with.
The Dubai Boat Show is the event in our backyard, and it is a place where we have participated from the outset of the existence of the show to show our new releases, our world premieres. And it's an audience that comes from all over the globe to see what we have to offer every year.
I've lost count of how many years we've been coming, and we've seen the show develop year after year after year, improve.
In Arabic, there is a nice saying that Dubai is called as Dar al-Hayy, which is the city of life. And this is what Dubai is. And the boat show is a direct reflection of that.
Everything is up, more visitors, more boat builders, more exhibitors. The future looks bright.
Dubai Boat Show for Mercedes-Benz is a luxury, performance, quality, and a lifestyle.
The show has grown very rapidly here. The Dubai International Boat Show, it started very small, and now you look at the size of it.